Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial number 6 of the Pat McGrath ooh, Huetopian Dream. I think today I really want to do a smoky look with this one and maybe this in the crease. Maybe, we'll see. And I really want to maybe play with this one and this one next because this extraterrestrial or sextra whatever. So also another trio chrome. This was when it was starting to get more of like less of the bake and more of the press. I like the baked a lot more just because it really did add a lot more luxury to the brand. But that is besides the point. Let me go prep my eyes with the Pro Filter Airbrush Flawless Pro Filter eye primer from Fenty Beauty. So see you guys in a moment. All right, so eyes are prepped. And I'm gonna do something I haven't done for a while, but for the first part, we're gonna go in with uh, this shade right here. I think it's like a nude rose type of thing, and we're gonna put this right into the crease. I should learn the shade names, but I'm putting that one into the crease basically. So when I first started doing makeup about 20 years ago now, Jesus, I actually used to use my fingers a lot. So I actually want to go back to my roots and actually apply the matte with my finger. And it's actually really cool because I actually watched some current videos of Pat McGrath with her Bijou Brilliance collection, and she actually uses her fingers a lot. And I actually used to do a lot of painting charcoal back in high school, so I would constantly use my fingers all the time. And when I got into makeup as a complete accident, it kind of transitioned over using the same thing. Brushes are great, but sometimes when in a pinch I would actually use my fingers. But also sometimes the pigmentation is a lot more different when you use your fingers, plus the heat from your hands. Also sometimes applying the foundation, it just works many wonders. But I don't apply foundation that much with my hands because I just hate the way it feels in my hands, and then sometimes I don't have enough makeup remover and then it's all over the place. So yeah, but that's such a beautiful, I love that shade. Such a beautiful transition shade. All right, now for that mahogany matte, just gonna pack that on, pack it on right there. Oh, and then I could go in with that brush again and just start to blend everything. Oh, it's just so nice, so nice. And these mattes are always so smooth. Obviously, the whatever company she uses in Italy, freaking amazing. And you could really tell that this brown could really add a punch. And then going in with the previous brush, just to marry the two and get a little bit more of a seamless. There we go. Then for those harder to reach areas, obviously, there we go. I mean, it's been a while since I've seen tutorials of just all mattes. A long while, actually. Maybe I should bring that back. Perfect. Blend it. Because from here, love it, love it, love it, love it. Let me go in with a liner brush and just begin to kind of create from the bottom up. because I could actually clean it up with makeup remover. There we go. Just really get that right into the crease more seamlessly. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do extreme black permagel liner in the waterline to really get a smoky look going, and then we could actually really get into the base. But yeah, easy look, classic smoky look. Oh, I always need to fix the mirror. But yeah, this is an easy smoky look. Ever in a pinch. I can't even begin to tell you how many times I had to do stuff like this during a photo shoot because they're late or they run too long in the hair, but it's always something. Perfect, just right on the waterline. Oh. Yep, it's as good as it's gonna get. Now going in with the Skin Show Nude and just begin to right there. Right for the brow highlight. And bring it right onto the brow bone, basically. And then maybe just a little bit Climbasha right there. A little bit of an inner corner highlight. Just a little bit. And just fade it in to the other eye. Perfect. Well, let me go and do the mascara and let me do the rest of my face, and you guys will actually see the finished look. This is a very easy look, so see you in a moment. So this is the final look. Actually love it. Little smoky moment, gotta love it. I went ahead and used Divine Glow, Desert Glow for bronzer. And for highlighter, I actually went in with the Skin Show. This I have on as highlighter, and I actually did the Fenty Beauty's Kilowatts, Girl Next Door, and Chic Freak. I have those two combined together on the cheeks, and I went with Divine Rose the first one for blush. But this is the final look, especially more for a smoky moment with this divine moment of divinity of this Huetopian Dream. That's what I was trying to get at. Obviously, the last video was very a bronze moment, so we could I feel like every mothership, there's nothing but a bronze moment. But lips are the Dior Ultra Care shade number 639. I love it. It's such a very natural mauve lip color, especially it really matches my actual lip color, which I love. But the application on this is no. Anyways, That's not the point of this video. But yeah, a very all matte type of look, feel with this palette. Becca for the brows. I'm still going through this. But yeah, so we definitely have quite a few different types of moments that we could really create with this palette. We could definitely have a very bronze palette, our bronze moment. We could have a very colorful moment, as you can tell. I definitely have quite a few more ideas that I want to get into, especially playing more with these two on top of some of these. I'm excited. I'm excited to go that route. But tutorial number 6, keeping it simple for now. I think the next tutorial, I really want to dip into that sextraterrestrial, or is it sextraterrestrial, sextrovert, or something like that. LM14 for the foundation. Oh god, I mean, look at that combination. Fenty Beauty and Skin Show Glow. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this is such a beautiful matte moment. It's been a while since I've done like a full matte look, so it's kind of cool to play around with it. So, as usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edits of this look, and I will see you guys next video. Oh, highlight to the gods.